It's a 2015 Honda CR-V. We all dream of capability without compromise. Embrace the reality with the CR-V. The EarthDreams Technology iVTEC engine and Eco Assist make it all possible. Smart Vent side airbags, vehicle stability assist with motion adaptive EPS, and a multi-angle rear view camera enhance the spirit of this adventuresome machine with prioritized safety. Jump in and the Hill Start Assist, push button start, and Bluetooth hands-free link get you heading out reaching towards new horizons.
The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. Never feel lost again with the navigation system. Heated mirrors means never worrying about ice obstructing your view.
Empowering you to take on what comes next, this CR-V is ready for a test drive.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. At Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg. Conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.